Hi, Marissa here with Rissa Rocks It and Designed by Geeks. The holidays are a time for sweet treats, and this little gingerbread gift box is no exception. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, and you can find the link in the video description. As usual, you're going to start by cutting out your pieces on your cutting machine. You're going to have the house, the door, there's going to be the roof, and there's going to be two inserts. These inserts are optional. If you want to just leave the windows open without anything behind them so you can see what's inside the box, you can skip cutting these two inserts. But if you do want something glued behind the windows so that those are not holes in the box, then you do want to go ahead and cut those out. We're going to start by folding our box along the score lines. I'm going to just move this out of the way. And then if you are going to use the inserts, our next step is going to be to glue the insert pieces behind the sides with the windows. And we just want to make sure we're gluing that to the inside part of the box. So we're just going to glue that behind the window. And the insert pieces are a little bit smaller than that part of the box, but still be careful that you're not overlapping any of the score lines because you don't want it to interfere with us folding the box. Next, you're going to add your door piece, and that's just going to glue on the side that only has one window, and you're just going to glue that to the center, aligning with this bottom score line right there. Next, we're going to glue along this side flap here. And then we're going to fold our box around to form our main house shape. So we're just going to glue that tab to the other side. And then once that's in position, just press it in place until the glue holds. Next, you're going to take your roof piece and you're going to fold it along the score lines. Now we're going to take our box, and on all of these top tabs here, we're going to apply glue so that we can stick down our roof. The roof is going to hang out just a little bit. So once we have that in position where we think it looks good, we can then apply pressure from the inside on those tabs to hold it in place. And depending on how big you make your box, if your box isn't big enough for you to get your fingers inside to apply pressure, you could use something like a skewer or a chopstick to apply pressure to those tabs. For some reason my glue isn't wanting to stick, so I'm going to add a little bit more glue. And then once the glue is dry, you can fill your box and then close your lid. Just fold down the flaps and close the lid. And there's the back of the box, and here's what the front looks like. Have a sweet Christmas, and we'll see you next time. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.